next padlock that I will attempt to open is this Brinks, sent to me by Javid. Thank you very much, Javid. Works perfectly. That's the key. Here we go. Okay, bidding. And let's see if I can open it in some decent amount of time. So, okay, that was number 1, 2, 3 springy, 4. But hold, let's try number 5 again. Okay, 5. So he got some counter rotation, and here we go, picked open. So we'll attempt also to rock it. Maybe, just maybe it's rockable. I don't feel any security pins, and because of the bidding is, well, not really straight, but maybe it's possible to rock open. I don't guarantee it. Let's just try it. Okay, you can rock it open as well. Okay, so there we have it. That's the Brinks. Don't know the model, but it's possible to single pick and rock it open. Thanks for watching and keep it legal, guys. Cheers.